Hello, food lovers, let's talk oats. Yes, oats. Those humble grains most folks ignore. I'm here to tell you, they're a game changer. Welcome to the Academy of Vitality and Health. Here we focus on helping you live healthier, teach you about your health and body, feel amazing, and improve your lifestyle. Join us on the journey to vitality. Now I know what you're thinking. Oats every day, that sounds boring. And you know what? You're not wrong. Starting this challenge, I was a bit skeptical myself. Could I really stomach oats every single day for a whole month? But I'm all about pushing boundaries in the kitchen, so I decided to give it a go. Little did I know this simple experiment would transform not just my diet, but my whole outlook on breakfast. I'll be honest, I wasn't exactly thrilled at the thought of 30 days of porridge. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy a warm bowl now and then, but every day, it seemed like a recipe for taste bud boredom. Plus, I had my doubts. Would I get sick of the taste? Would it be too much fiber for my system? Would I turn into some sort of oat-obsessed maniac? These were legitimate concerns, people. But I'm a firm believer in trying things for yourself. So, armed with a pantry full of oats and a healthy dose of skepticism, I embarked on my oat venture. Let's be real. Eating plain oatmeal every day would send anyone running for the hills. The key to surviving this challenge, I quickly learned, was variety. And let me tell you, oats are surprisingly versatile. I experimented with different flavors, toppings, and even savory oat-based dishes. From fruity overnight oats with yogurt and honey to savory oat bowls with avocado and poached eggs, the possibilities were endless. I even tried my hand at oat-based baking, whipping up healthy oat cookies and energy bars. Who knew oats could be so much fun? After a week or so of my oat venture, I started noticing some pretty remarkable changes. First and foremost, my digestion had never been better. Oats are packed with fiber, which keeps things moving and grooving, if you know what I mean. But it wasn't just my gut that was thanking me. My energy levels were through the roof. I felt lighter, brighter, and more alert throughout the day. And the best part? No more mid-afternoon energy slumps. Mind matters, oats for inner peace. Here's something I didn't expect, the impact of oats on my mental well-being. I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. As my body started to thrive on the inside, I noticed a shift in my mental state as well. I felt calmer, more focused, and less anxious. Now, I'm not saying oats are a magic cure for stress, but the combination of improved physical health and the knowledge that I was fueling my body with good stuff definitely had a positive impact on my mood. Skin deep, the oatmeal glow up, and the benefits just kept on coming. After a few weeks of my oat venture, I noticed a visible improvement in my skin. It was clearer, brighter, and had a healthy glow that I hadn't seen in years. Turns out oats are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that are incredibly beneficial for the skin. Who needs expensive creams and serums when you've got oats? Beyond the challenge, a newfound love for oats. 30 days of oats might sound like a challenge, but I can honestly say it was one of the best things I've ever done for my health. Not only did I experience a whole host of physical and mental benefits, but I also discovered a newfound love for this humble grain. Oats are now a staple in my diet, and I'm constantly finding new and exciting ways to incorporate them into my meals. From savory porridge with roasted vegetables to oat-crusted chicken tenders, the possibilities are truly endless. Join the oat venture. So there you have it, my oat venture in all its glory. If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and delicious way to boost your health and well-being, I urge you to give oats a try. You might be surprised at the incredible benefits you experience. I'd love to hear about your own oat ventures. Share your favorite oat recipes, tips, and experiences in the comments below. Let's spread the oat love. Oats, a grain for everyone? Now, I'm not saying oats are a miracle food that will solve all your problems, but they're a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet, and with a little creativity, you can easily incorporate them into your meals and snacks without getting bored. So go on, give oats a try. Your body and mind will thank you for it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips.